Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a play makeup kit that I got for my niece. So I made a whoopsie and I got a real makeup kit for my niece who is 4 when I meant to get her a play makeup kit. So I'm glad that I purchased 2 different ones because this is actually for my niece who is going to be 3 in February. So this is 100% fake makeup. This is Click and Play. I'll show you guys the tag on the back. So this is a Click and Play cosmetic set. Warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. So I figure even if my niece is going to turn 3 in February. So if her parents want to wait till then to give it to her, that's fine. It's item number 0272, made in China. I saw this when I was looking for play makeup. One of my sister-in-laws told me that her daughter's really intrigued. Her daughter's 4. Every time she does her makeup, she's always asking questions and kind of like looking at her. And she had mentioned maybe getting a play makeup kit for her as one of her gifts for Christmas. So that is the reason I purchased this. I remember when I was younger, like discovering makeup and just falling in love with it, always being intrigued by it. So I totally get the fascination. The Click and Play is really nice. It comes with, this is like a powder, like a fake powder set, mirror. It's totally fake. I don't know what that's made of, but it's just like a pad, I think. Totally fake. Doesn't come off on your hands or anything. Put the powder, or whatever you want to call this sponge, back in here. It has this little handle so you could put your fingertips in it. Easy to use. These are for kids to use. Then it comes with this, which I'm going to open for you guys. Got some brushes in there. I like how the Click and Play set came with all these like little different things. I think that's really nice. There's the brushes, pink brushes. And then I don't really know what this is supposed to be. Well, let's see. Oh, it's supposed to be like a fake perfume, like a little roller perfume. That's cool. Very nice. Oop. That'll be fun to play with. This is a nice little girly gift. Let's see what else we got in here. Got a little Click and Play. This is supposed to be blush or eyeshadow. So my niece will definitely have a fun time opening these and dipping the little fake brush in there. It feels like foam, so it's soft, good material. I don't know why this isn't wrapped so good. You can still open it, but that's alright. And then this is big little eyeshadow set, which would be fun to play with as well. Foam as well. Nice and soft. This is what I thought that other set I was telling you guys about was. Like, I thought it was fake makeup, but nope, it's not. But that's okay. This is perfect for, I would say, like 3 to 8. Even older, maybe. Don't want to get them started wearing makeup too young. I think I was like 12 when I really started wearing makeup. So this is the back of it. This is the back of the cosmetic bag. I really like that it came with the cosmetic bag. It's like pretty little flowers, pink, yellow, purple, just fun. And it looks really girly. And I like that it has like a little handle on here. And then it has like the zipper so it could easily be closed and be easy for kids to use. Basically all plastic and foam, so easy to use product, soft to the touch, good for kids, but looks extremely lifelike. I mean, I don't know if you guys would know if this was real or not if I hadn't really opened it and told you it was foam, because like even like up close you really can't tell. And the colors here are really pretty. Like the pink, the purple, like the light pink looks really nice, and I know that my niece is going to love these colors. It makes a great Christmas gift or a birthday gift, anytime gift. Great first play makeup kit for little girls. So guys, this was the Click and Play cosmetic set for kids. I hope that you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great night.